It's a 1995 E38 750iL. It was spec'd up and ordered from BMW head office at Bracknell. It was their press car that they sent out to all press launches for whoever, but it was also used for the James Bond collection magazine. And they had it as their press car and did a load of write-ups about it and details on the car itself, specs, how they did the film scenes when he's driving it from the back of the car, off of his mobile phone. It was a special order colour in '95. They only did this colour for 1 year and then stopped making it. Yeah, it's been modified with the bumpers, the side skirts, the wheels, brakes, a few engine modifications as well. But apart from that, the engine is totally standard. Yeah, all over the country. Yeah, all over the country. Bewley next weekend. Been Bewley several times, up to Doncaster, Selby, Leeds. Not as regular as I used to, but I used to go every weekend virtually. Tried to look after it to keep it in the condition it is now. It's 28 years old now, so, and try and keep on top of things with all the detailers and polishes and the new Hugh Crane products with the ceramic detailer. It helps to protect the paintwork, so it just, just carry on with it, and hopefully it'll keep going for another 28 years. Just the mark, basically, just the BMW mark. I've always liked BMWs, always mainly had BMWs, so. They do ask what products we use, at the shows. Always tell them that I use like Hugh Crane, Maguire's to get the finish that I do. A lot of people are really interested in what I use, and hopefully they go away and buy some stuff, but it's just a good advert for the stuff and for the shows as well.